A circulating report is drawn attention to what is described as a tense exchange between Vice President Chiwenga and President Emmerson Mnangagwa during cabinet meeting. The claims, widely discussed online, have not been accompanied by an official transcript or formal confirmation from cabinet proceedings. Sabina Mashuko Blankwachin's reported exchange between Chiwenga and Mnangagwa draws attention. Very subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timna Mnamo Blankwachin's. Observers noted that cabinet deliberations are typically confidential, and internal debate does not necessarily indicate institutional conflict. Political analysts emphasize that differences in policy perspective can occur within executive structures without implying structural instability. While commentary surrounding the reported exchanges been strongly worded in some quarters, no verified documentation outlining the exact context of the discussion is being publicly released. Analysts caution against interpreting unverified accounts are confirmed institutional rifts. As public interest grows, clarity will depend on official confirmation and communication from relevant authorities until formal statements are issued. The matter remains part of broader political discourse rather than confirmed structural change. Doma developments aripo pamusoro pemarumors ari kusekuleta debate yanga iripo between the president na VP Chiwenga in cabinet. Pida kumesi kichemedu zafungura emo tukudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.